Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix Snapchat device ban problem on your Snapchat. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you are unable to log in your Snapchat in your device and your account is logged on the device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you will have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and from here watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you will have to simply make it sure that you are using an updated version of your software in your device. So guys, for that, open settings and from here scroll it below and tap on general, and from here tap on software update and update your software to the latest version. So as if there is any update available for you, simply update it and check if the problem is fixed or not. So as if you're still facing this problem, then go for the other solution, that is you will have to set your date and time in your device. So guys, open your date and time settings and from here simply turn this toggle on for set automatically. So as after this, check if the problem has been fixed or not, and if you're still facing this problem, then go for the next solution, that is you have to make it sure that there is no connected VPN in your device. So for that, open the VPN and device management and check if there is any connected VPN in your device. So I simply disconnect it and check if the problem has been fixed or not, and if you're still facing this problem, then go for the next solution, that is you have to update your Snapchat to the latest version. So for that, open your app store and from here search for Snapchat. Here it is. So as from here, simply download and install the latest version of Snapchat in your device, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.